How to buy TALA token. So this token came under the symbol of 1OZT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called the 1OZT. So as you can see, click on it. Now click on swap. Switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, why you will be able to see it. So as you can see, no corresponding liquidity, so it seems that it's not possible to buy this token on your wallet. Now I will just use one of these exchange platforms, ZX. So this is the same, sorry. So you can click on the pair, as you can see here, and you will be able to redact it to Z6 token. So as you can Z6 platform. So wait a few seconds to verify you are a human. Now click on verify I am human. Now as you can see, you will be able to wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. So as you can see, now you are on the Z6 token exchange platform. Sorry guys. So what you need to do, just click on buy, as you can see here. Now click here to enter how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive, and now click on here buy, because I don't have any accounts. For your case, now go and create an account on it and log into your account and finally do some USDT to be able to buy this token. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account, and here click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.